Hi, this is Piero, Technical Director of SecPoint, introducing firmware 58 of the Penetrator. On this firmware, we have drawn our attention on the display of vulnerabilities on the web interface, adding the information that otherwise would only be available on the reports. Let's take a look at the page with the list of vulnerabilities. As you can see on this page, the operating system, when found, is displayed on top of the page. Then we have two boxes. One shows the ports and services found on this target. Clicking on this button, this box can be collapsed. And then we have the version banners, and this box can be collapsed too. Then we have a couple of changes on the page with the details of a vulnerability. For example, let's take this one. Here you can see that this link in the mitigation row has been made clickable. Then we also made a slight change on the information level vulnerabilities, which are no longer defined as vulnerabilities but as information. Another feature we have added on this firmware helps deal with long lists of offline targets. For example, let's take a look at this scan. As you can see, this scan only contains 2 targets, but you can see here on top that offline targets have been hidden. So if you click here, all the offline targets will be displayed. Offline targets are not displayed by default. On this firmware, we have taken the opportunity to add 3 more languages to the list of languages available for the report. There are now 20 languages available. However, if you don't find yours, simply get in touch with us and place your request. Well, it's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and reach out for any questions about the SecPoint Penetrator or for a demo. Bye bye.